enjoy chicken. Chickenjoy or Chickenjoy. All right, you guys. Hello, hello, hello. Today, January 1st, 2018, I am at Jollie Bee. I think maybe the first time or second time been to Jollie Bee. Jollie Bee, in case you don't know, is a Filipino like hamburger and chicken shack hamburger. It was extremely popular with the locals. I ordered a two-piece Chickenjoy with rice. I think it's rice. There we go. Two-piece Chickenjoy with some rice and some gravy and soda. All right. Here is my, well, pardon my dry hands. Whew. It is freezing in Vegas today. Hold on. Ugh. Oh, this is gravy. Oh. Hang on, let's get a taste of gravy. Not bad. The gravy is maybe a tad bit salty, but it tastes like gravy. Okay, whatever, right? So, check it out. My delicious chicken and rice. The total price for this dinner experience is $5.99 plus tax. Total of $6.48. The gravy on the rice. And tastes pretty good. First bite of Jollie Bee chicken. Let's do it. Chicken's good. It's not very crunchy. I was hoping a little more crunchier, but it's juicy. It's not overcooked. It's not dry, so that's good. Yeah. What piece is this? I have no idea. Skin. There we go. That was the crunch. That's why I did this gravy. Nice and crunchy, nice and juicy. I didn't check if they have a spicy version. I probably should have. I normally like to order the spicy version of something. Like I said, Jollie Bee's out of the Philippines and is extremely popular. No, they also serve spaghetti here, which I didn't know, I probably should have. Maybe next time. Jollie Bee, Jollie Bee. Ta-da! Overall, I think that it's a good product, you know? It tastes fine. The gravy was really good. Pardon me. Chickenjoy. Chickenjoy. Chickenjoy or Chickenjoy. You call it. Hi guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. It's 2019. Let's get those comments rocking. Let's get those thumbs up popping. Let's get those sharing, you know, up and away, as they say. Okay, anyways, huh? See you by a try. Hope you like it. Take care. Oh wait a minute. Overall, I like this place. The chicken was fine. The gravy was good. The rice was fine. Dr. Pepper, it's all right. Usually don't have it, but they don't have Coca-Cola here. They have Pepsi. They didn't want a Pepsi, so Dr. Pepper it was today. Overall, good place. Music is kind of loud, but like I said, everywhere in Vegas is almost like that nowadays. So that's just life. But yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Like I always say, see you by a try. Hope you like it. Take care wherever you are. Have a great day.